How to make Bluetooth headphones louder on Android. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to make Bluetooth headphones louder on Android. So first is you have to go to your settings. Now on your settings, you have to go to about phone. Now, if you can't find your about phone, all you have to do is to type in and search it here. But if you will see it directly, then click on that. I would like you to go to your version, and then click on build number. Now, if you will click on the build number there, you are going to activate the developer mode for your phone so that you could manipulate the Bluetooth headphones. As you can see, if I click on that, no need because I am already a developer now. For you who haven't still enabled the developer mode, if you click on that, they will ask for your phone password. Now, if you enter your phone password, then it will actually activate directly to developer mode. Now, if you've activated it, go back to your settings and just type in developer. Developer options. Here you will see the developer options there. You click on that. Now, I would like you to scroll down. Go to network. Just find network here. Under network, you will find the enable absolute volume. Now, if you turn that on, it will actually make your headphones louder on Android directly. Now, if you think it's too loud for you or the headphones are too loud for you, then you could disable this again. But since we want to make the Bluetooth headphones louder, so you enable that, and basically that is it, and that is how you make Bluetooth headphones louder on Android. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.